Hello, Kinder Scholars. Welcome to Social Studies, Week 12, Day 1. Let's go over our learning intentions. What will you learn today? You will learn about Veterans Day. And how will you do this? You will complete a Veterans Day fact booklet. And why are you doing this? To be able to explain why we celebrate Veterans Day. Let's take a look at what a veteran is and why we celebrate them. Let's watch a video about Veterans Day and who are veterans and why do we celebrate them.
Thank you, veterans. What is a veteran? A veteran is someone who has served in the armed forces. Every U.S. veteran has served in one of the 5 branches of the armed forces: the Army, the Marine Corps, the Navy, the Air Force, and the Coast Guard. Each branch has a different job to do. For example, the Army mostly works on land. The Air Force works in the sky. People in the Air Force fly planes and helicopters. People in the Navy, the Marines, and the Coast Guard all spend a lot of time at sea. But they can have other jobs too. For example, some people in the Navy fly jets. The branches are separate, but they often work together. They might work as a team to rescue someone who is hurt at sea. The President of the United States is in charge of all the branches. Under the Constitution, the President is the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. On November 11th, we celebrate Veterans Day. We honor men and women who have served in the armed forces. We honor veterans because they trained hard to do their jobs. Some were medics and helped people who were hurt. Some drove tanks. And some people even worked on submarines. All of them were brave. You might know a veteran. Maybe someone in your family or in your neighborhood is a veteran. We can say thank you to veterans every day of the year. But Veterans Day is an especially great time to do it. Thank you, veterans.
So, who can tell me what is a veteran? Who is a veteran? Do you remember anything from the video that helps you remember who a veteran is? If you said a man or a woman who is a soldier or somebody that's in our military or armed forces, then you would be correct. Yes, a veteran is somebody that has been in the military or is still in the military, and they help to keep our country safe. So we like to celebrate our military on Veterans Day to let them know how much we appreciate them and we thank them for the hard work that they do to protect America. And in writing this week, we're going to be writing about how to thank a veteran. So today in Social Studies, we're going to continue to talk about Veterans Day, and you're going to get a little booklet to put together. So I'm going to review that little booklet with you. It has some facts in it. It's an informational text. So remember, informational text is a text or a book that teaches us something. So let's look at the facts that we will learn today about Veterans Day. So today you're going to make a little booklet about facts about Veterans Day. On the front page is a space for you to write your name. And then on the next page it says Veterans Day is in, and what month are we in right now? Does anybody remember the month that we're in right now? If you said November, you would be correct. Veterans Day is in November. It's November 11th. So Wednesday is actually Veterans Day, but we're going to complete our little booklet today in Social Studies. So let's move on to the next page of our booklet to learn 2 more facts about Veterans Day. The next facts that we're going to learn today about veterans is, we've got 2 facts here. The first one is veterans have been in the, who remembers the answer to that question? Veterans have been in the what? If you said military, you would be correct. Veterans have been in the military. They've either been in the Army or the Navy or the Air Force, Marines, or the Coast Guard. So they are soldiers that have been in the military. Our next booklet fact is veterans help to keep us what? What do veterans do? They keep us. If you said safe, you would be correct. Veterans help to keep us safe. So those are the next two facts that we learned. Let's move on to the fourth fact that we're going to learn about veterans today. And the last page of our booklet says, Veterans Day is a way to say what? What should we say to our veterans? If you said thank you, you would be correct. Veterans Day is a way to say thank you to the veterans or the soldiers that help keep our country safe. So you're going to get to make this little booklet if you're in class. If you're at home, this little booklet will be online and you can drag and drop the pictures into the correct spot on the page. Let's review what your assignment is for today. Your assignment today is to complete a fact booklet about Veterans Day. So the booklet is the one that I just showed you, and to help you learn the facts. You're going to cut and glue the facts on the correct page. If you're at home and a remote student, you will have a drag and drop activity to complete online. Let's review what we've learned today about Veterans Day. Let's review what we've learned. We've learned that Veterans Day is a day that we honor and celebrate our military or our soldiers, both men and women. And we celebrate by thanking them for their service to our country. That means we thank them for working so hard to keep our country safe. So, you have worked really hard today. Have fun putting your Veterans Day booklet together, and I will see you back here tomorrow.